Ma, say something to the camera.
Say something like what?
It's recording, so say something.
Carmisha is a very awesome kid, but even more so, what makes her awesome is that she has an amazing mom, you know, who looks out for her best interests and loves her and cares about her, you know, and don't want to see anything bad happen to her. So that's what makes up Carmisha, her whole personality. You know, it's all about her mom.
Wow, now that's really what you call conceited. Let's go to Alan. Alan, say something to the camera.
Oh, girl, go somewhere.
No, Alan, say something to the camera.
Go,
Say
girl.
something to the camera.
Go, girl.
It's recording. Say something.
Go, man.
Say something. What?
Skull
What?
game.
To be playing a video game?
Yeah.
Say something. Say something. Ow! Say something. Say something. What? Uh-huh. What now, huh? What?
Oh, you would ever get mama camera fixed?
Ow! Ow! Open the door. Open the door.
Carmisha, stop before you break that camera.
What?
Her
What?
service plan was about to be up.
What?
What?
Her service plan?
Say what?
And what that mean?
The plan is just royalty.
Yeah. I beat you up.
But did they fix it?
Yeah.
I rep that.
Why you got
What? Huh? What? Oh, what? What? Do something. What? What?
Real
Huh?
quick before you fall.
I ain't gonna fall. What now? What? What you gonna do? Nothing.
She recording you.
What? 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 What now? You close the door. Yeah, you better go in that room like I said.
Oh.
Yeah, I beat him up.